Okay.
Welcome back to the morning show. It's our favorite time of the week, and yours, hopefully. It's time for Wise Guy Wednesday.
Our favorite mad scientist, if you will, joins us live in our studios this morning, not out in the lab, but in our 3 News lab, we'll call it.
We're starting our own lab and call him the mad scientist. Actually, he's in a pretty good mood today.
This is a great place you guys have. Thanks for inviting me here. You know, it occurred to me that I didn't quite finish explaining the Marshmallow Man thing last week.
It was very cool.
It was very cool, and I realized that people might think that if they were on the moon, they would expand like that and then shrink into, into small, but it wouldn't happen that way because the marshmallow has a lot of little tiny air pockets in it, and your body doesn't. But anyways, if you want to find out more about this stuff, I put everything that we do on a website, and if you just go to Google and search for the Wise Guy, you'll find it, and then you'll see more information, including all the video clips.
Okay, great. Now this looks like something fun here.
Oh yeah, this is great. So I asked last time, how do you make water boil at a temperature other than 100 degrees C? And so I got lots of good answers, and they tended to be of 2 kinds. Some people said that if you put sugar or salt into water, you'll raise the boiling point a bit, and that's true. And so I got a very good answer from Margie Lohnberger from Tolono, and so I'm going to send her a T-shirt.
Okay.
And what I was really thinking about, though, was if you put water in different atmospheric pressure, it'll change the boiling point. So, for example, if you're cooking eggs in Denver, you'll have to cook them longer because the water there boils at about 95 degrees C rather than 100 degrees C. And so the boiling point goes down by about 1 degree for every 1,000 feet.
Because some food products that you buy will have elevation, different cooking instructions.
That's right.
And that's why.
And that's exactly why. And the reason is water will evaporate, as you know, and the hotter the water is, the faster it evaporates. And evaporation is another way of saying that there's a higher vapor pressure over the water. And water boils, or any liquid boils, when the vapor pressure equals atmospheric pressure. Right. So you could either heat it up and make the vapor pressure big, or you could reduce the outside pressure by going to Denver, or by having a vacuum pump. So right here I have some water. I'm going to suck all the air out from this little jar, and we're going to see that the water is going to boil even though it's at room temperature.
So this is not hot water at all?
Not at all. It just came from your drinking fountain.
Oh, it is hot water then.
So I'm going to turn this on, and sorry about the noise, but you're going to see little bubbles starting to form. And what happens now is that the air is getting sucked out of this jar. So this is, if you were actually on the moon, and if you had a glass of water and you put it on the moon, it would boil just like this, even though it's very cold on the moon. Here it goes. So it's actually boiling. So there's 2 ways we can make things boil. We can heat up the liquid, or we can reduce the pressure around the liquid.
Now, even though this is boiling, this water has not gotten hot in this process.
No, in fact, we could take the water out and you could pour it on your hand and it would be nice and cold, or you could drink it. So I'll just go like that. I thought that's pretty interesting.
That is neat.
So if anybody wants to check all these little video clips out on our website, you can just go to Google and type Wise Guy. And
WHYS.
WHYS Guy. And
we'll get that website from you, too, and put it on a link on our website.
That would be great.
As well.
That would be great.
That would be very neat.
Right, well, thanks for this demonstration, Mats. We will be back with more food and physics fun later in the hour.
Including ice cream.
Oh, yeah, ice cream.
And liquid nitrogen, another of Robert's favorite toys.
2 best things.
Well, coming up, if you've recently purchased a computer, you might be wondering what you're going to do